I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, so I'm going to turn this into a stand for my lathe so that I can hold all my tools. So let's get to work. I got to take this piece of wood off the front here. And we'll pull this part off the back. Okay, the idea is I'm going to drill through the top here and put my lathe chisels here. And I want them to go through the top and sit on this shelf about 5 inches lower. Okay, the fabric got really torn up when I tore this piece of trim off, so I'm going to put it right back on again. Okay, I want to put these two gussets here, but there's a 3/4 inch piece of wood in the way, so I'm just going to cut the backs off so it'll fit in there. Okay, I need holes to hold all the lathe tools, so I'm going to drill 1.5 inch holes, 3 inches from the rear, get 8 across, and I have enough room to put 8 more down the road if I need them. Okay, I've got a little drawing of how I want all the tools to lay out on the rack and the bench. Above the chisels will be this shelf. And on the shelf I want to have my 4-jaw chuck for my mini lathe, 3-inch faceplate for the mini lathe, drive spur, and tailstock center, live center, with the Jacobs chuck that goes on there, and its wrench. Next to that will be the Jacobs chuck for my large lathe, its chuck, a live center that goes in the Jacobs chuck, a dead center, and the spur drive that goes on it. So let's get all the holes drilled and get this shelf installed. Okay, I need to glue the rack on the back part. So I have to lay it down. Do that. While I'm at it, I'll cut off this center piece. Okay, this cabinet door was in the basement when we moved in and has no use, so I'm going to use it for a door on my rack. It's a little too big, so I'm going to cut it down by an inch all the way around. So I've got some hardware for the door. Go ahead and mark the hinges. And I've got to use this egg beater to fill them out because my drill died. And it's too late in the day to go buy a new one. Okay, I just eyeballed the placement of the door. Just a shop cart after all. Now we'll put on 4 screws. Next, we have to close in the sides here and add casters that will sit on the outside and raise up the rack about ½ inch off the ground. So let's get started on those. I'm going to pre-drill 1 pilot hole before I put the sides on. Okay, now I'll just attach the sides with some glue and a few brads. Okay, the reason I pre-drilled these holes is so I can have a reference point to drill through. I've got a mark on the outside of the case at 3 inches up. I'm going to put the caster on the outside, drill through it, put a divot in this, and then re-drill it out again. So I'm going to use 3-inch screws to attach these and hold them with glue. Okay, I doubt very much this will be needed, but I'll add some gussets for added strength. Okay, I've got all my chucks and centers up here. I've got enough room to get my chisel in and out down here. So next I need to take all this crap that's laying here and put it up on this backboard. So let's get started with that. Okay, here we got the assembled cabinet. We've got it on wheels so it can be moved around. Got the cabinets below here. I'm going to definitely put a shelf in there so I can put my sandpaper down below. I've got all my area for my turning tools, chucks and such, measuring, adjustment, and sharpening tools, and then room for other stuff down the road. So that's it. Thanks for watching.